Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In previous video, we learned about Azure DevOps, and in this video, we will learn about Azure DevOps portal, how to create Azure DevOps account, and how to access Azure DevOps account. So let's get started. Let's understand about Azure DevOps portal and how to access it. So Azure DevOps can be accessed through any web browser, making it easy to use across various devices such as desktop, laptops, and mobile phones. To access Azure DevOps, simply navigate to dev.azure.com, which will direct you to Azure DevOps login page. For setting up our Azure DevOps account, first we will navigate to dev.azure.com and we'll hit enter. This will route us to Azure DevOps web page. Over here, we get an option to sign in. At the top right side, you can see the sign in option. Just click on it and it will ask you to choose the Microsoft account. If you don't have any Microsoft account, you don't have to worry. In the screen, you can see a create one option. You can just click on it and it will help you to create your account. So you can provide your email address. Let's say you have an account with Gmail or Outlook. You can just enter that email address and you can hit it next, and then you will be able to create your account. As of now, I already have my Microsoft account set up, so we won't be going to that process. What we will do, we will just log in using my Gmail account. Let me log in. I'll hit yes. As soon as I hit yes, it has routed me to Microsoft Azure account. Over here, you can see it's a portal.azure.com, which is basically our Azure cloud. Now, over here at the top, you see a search window. Just come here and search for Azure DevOps organization. Once you see it, click on it. It will take you to Azure DevOps webpage. Over here, you can see my Azure DevOps organization. Just click on it. Now it will show your profile where you have created your, like, from where you belong to what email address you have. So you can just come to edit profile. If you want to change any settings, you can come here and you can provide your name, whatever name you want to give. If you are referring to any of the companies or you're working for any of the companies where you have to set up Azure DevOps account, in that case you can certainly come over here and change it as per the requirement. Now, currently it's already set and I'm happy with it. So we'll cancel it as of now and we'll come back. And now here there are two things. First, if you see Azure DevOps organization, there is a URL below it. It is because I have already created one of my organization. So if I just click on it, it will route me to dev.azure.com wherein you can see my URL. But as of now, we have to create our first organization. So for doing so, we will create new organization. So come here and click on it. Then it will give us a pop-up whether we want any kind of offers from Azure DevOps or for any of the Microsoft products. Then you can check this box, or if you don't want, then you can uncheck it. But I will keep it. So I'll continue it. Now you have to provide few of the information over here. You need to give your Azure DevOps organization name and on which host your project should be. Basically, it's a country name where you want to host all your projects. So as you can see over here, and the last captcha characters that you need to enter. But over here, what name you should be giving here? You should be giving a name which is unique. So I'll provide DevOps demo project 02 and I'll select it as India. Reason because I reside in India and it will be easier to access all the projects that resides in India for better performance. That's it, nothing else. Now we have to write this character. So S as in capital, D as in small, K as in caps, then J as in small. Now we'll hit continue. Now it will take 1 or 2 minutes and our organization will get created. At the top you see it has routed us to dev.azure.com, which is our landing page of Azure DevOps. This is where we will be accessing our organization and our projects. Now we are ready with our organization, and our organization name is DevOps Demo Project 02. And you can come to organization settings, and over here if you would like to add some of the settings or you want to add any of the organization owner, you can add it. Or if you don't want this organization, you can certainly delete it post completing your project and the organization. Now this is how we create our Azure DevOps account. So this was the first way when you are creating your Azure DevOps account for the first time. Now let's say if you want to access it for the next time, then how to access it? Just go to your new browser and just type dev.azure.com. That's it, and hit enter. It will automatically route you to the organization which you have created. The only thing is, if you haven't logged in, it will ask you for the login credentials and then you're good to go. This is how we have created our first Azure DevOps account and we have set up our organization. If this video helped you, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tech tutorial video. Thank you.